How to cut out images in Photoshop. Now I'll use this quick selection tool and I'll select the area or subject which I want to cut from rest of the photo. So I'm selecting here and I'll make sure that the cutting or selection is perfect so that there might be no blemishes. So this is the area which is left behind, also here. So I'll zoom in and I'll select this area and I'll zoom out. Now what I'll do is I'll right click and select layer via cut. So if I go to this background layer and unlock this by clicking this lock option, and if I will select this, you can see that the background is gone. Another thing that you can do is if I will turn off this, you can see that I have separated it from the background. So this is how you can do all of this stuff.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.